Hi guys, today I am creating this makeup look. I'm doing the 0 to 100 video that I've been seeing on YouTube quite a lot recently. I am basically going to be doing my own take of it, of 0 to 100 makeup, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. We're about to rewind back to the start where I am at 0. Please carry on watching if you want to see how I got this makeup look. Okay, so the first thing that I'd do if I was making an effort to go out or something like that, that makes the biggest difference to me, that would make me go from 0 to 100, is definitely my hair. So this is my natural hair. I don't really like it when it's like this. I prefer it when it's like more straightened. So what I'm going to go is I'm going to go straighten my hair, and then I'm also going to do my eyebrows off of camera, and then I'll be back and you'll see such a big difference just from straightening my hair. That's honestly the biggest difference. Okay, so as you can tell, I have straightened my hair and it makes such a difference to me anyway. And I've also done my eyebrows as per usual, and as I say in every video, I will link an eyebrow tutorial of how I do my eyebrows in the description below. So the first thing I'm going to be taking is the Garnier Skin Naturals Hydrating Day Cream. I remember one time I did my eyebrows first and then I put moisturiser on, and I was trying to film a video, and with the moisturiser I forgot I had my eyebrows on, and I literally was like going all like this, and then I looked at my hand and I was like, I've already done my eyebrows. Yeah, that was a nightmare. And then I'm just going to be taking the Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I just missed my face completely. So now I'm going to be taking the alicerosmae translucent powder and my beauty blender and putting this in like my little creases that I get here before my foundation to stop it creasing. And now for my base, I'm going to be taking the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and the B Cosmetics Flawless Matte Foundation, and combining these two together. And because I'm doing a 0 to 100 look, I'm going to be doing a full coverage foundation. I always find that when I watch YouTube videos, foundation is always like my favourite part of the makeup video to watch. So as you can tell, I have put on quite a lot of foundation, but if I'm doing a full beat face, I've got to fully beat it. And now I'm going to be taking my Lasting Perfection Concealer by Collection once again, putting this under my eyes, on my chin and on my nose. Then as per usual, taking my beauty blender and bouncing it into the skin. So to set that, again, I'm going to be taking the alicerosmae translucent powder, and if I can get it out, there we go. And then putting this under my eyes. I am going to be baking, so I'm going to leave this under my eyes while I do my eyeshadow. So as I want to make my face look as... I've just got foundation all in my bracelet. I'm going to be taking the Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer to prime my eyelids, as I want my eyeshadow to stay on for as long as possible and look as nice as possible. And then to set that eyeshadow primer, I'm going to be taking the alicerosmae translucent powder again and just putting it on my eyelid. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm actually going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm also going to be doing a look inspired by Jaclyn Hill. Just seen it on her Instagram from quite a while ago, but I'm going to see what I can do. Obviously it won't be as good as her because I'm rubbish at eyeshadow. So now I'm going to be taking this shade here and this shade here as my transition colours, and I'm just going to put this into my crease. So that has actually gone all over my eyelid, and I think it's just because I haven't got the brushes that I need to do my eyeshadow yet. I am waiting for payday as I'm poor, and I'm going to be buying some new eyeshadow brushes, which I actually can't wait to buy. So now to deepen up the outer V of my eye, I'm going to be taking a mixture of these two colours. And so I'm just going to put it on my outer V. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking some concealer, and I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. small smudge brush, and I'm just going to line my lash line with concealer. This is a trick that I've learned from Michael Finch on his channel about how to do a cut crease easily. I've literally practiced this once. I've never done a cut crease before, like never attempted it, and then I tried it the other night. And I mean, I'm not amazing at it, but this is what I want to do for this eye makeup look. I did just get concealer in my eye. And then what you do is you blink like this. It basically outlines where your cut crease should be, and then I'm literally just going to fill that in with some concealer. So the concealer has gone up slightly higher than I wanted it to. I think it's just because of the eye shape that I have. But now I'm going to really quickly go over that because I want the concealer to be wet so that this is as pigmented as possible. And I'm going to be taking this shade here. And then I'm going to be putting this all over my lid. And I'm also actually going to mix it with this colour, I think. And then I'm going to go back to my MAC 224 brush, and I'm going to go into this black shade here and this brown shade, just mix them and put that in my outer corner. This is really going to smoke out the look. Okay, so I like what this looks like. I'm going to go off camera and do this side just to save some time on the video, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of my face. Okay, so I have finished both eyes, and now I'm going to take my powder brush and just brush away the excess powder on my face. So that is actually like my second ever attempt at like a cut crease thing, and it definitely like looks so much better than any other eyeshadow I've like ever done. So I'm actually like really happy with what my eyes look like right now. I really like it. So now I am just going to contour and carve out my face. So at the moment I've actually been taking this brush from the Hoola Bronzer, and I'm going to be using this in my Kat Von D palette. Again, I'm just going to do what I usually do. I'll speed through this because I do it in every video, but I'm just going to be taking these two light shades and contouring my cheeks. And then, as usual, I'm just going to take this deeper shade and just put this towards this end of my contour. I'm just going to be highlighting and putting this on the high points of my face. And then to be finishing off my eyes, I am just going to take this colour and this colour again on this Urban Decay brush that I've got. I don't know which palette this is from, but I know it's an Urban Decay one. But I'm just going to be taking this small end here and putting it on the outer corner of my lash line. And then I'm going to be taking this end of the brush and taking these two shades again and just blending it out a bit lower than where I've already placed it. And then, as usual, I'm going to be taking the Lash Sensational Mascara. Right now, I would love to put some false eyelashes on. I just don't have any at the moment. I've had to throw them away because I lost one of the two. Okay, to finish off the look, I'm going to be taking this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Cairo. I don't like this shade by itself, so I am going to be putting this CN lip gloss over the top just because it is quite a light shade, but I just want it to look a bit glossy. So as you can tell, this is quite a light shade. I wouldn't usually go for a colour like this, but I think it looks quite like subtle with the look, and all of the attention is at my eyes, which is what I want right now because I actually really like these eyes. But I am going to be taking this cyan lip gloss and just putting it over the top of that lip cream. Okay, so that is the final look of my 0 to 100. I actually really did enjoy doing this makeup look because I've just done these eyes, which I don't think I'm very good at eyeshadow. I don't think I'm good. People will say that I am, I'm just no. But I will take that back. I like this eyeshadow a lot. I think there's more definition than when I usually do my eyeshadow, so I think I'm going to start practicing a lot more on my eyeshadow because I really do want to get better at it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did then please give it a massive thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. So thank you for watching, bye!